Have you ever imagined a drone that's light enough to slip into your pocket, but powerful enough to shoot cinema-grade footage? Well, dream no more, because the DJI Mini 5 Pro is officially landing on August 7th, 2025. And it's about to flip the drone industry upside down. This isn't just a refresh of last year's model, it's a radical evolution that challenges everything we thought possible from a sub-250G drone. Whether you're a weekend explorer, travel vlogger, wedding cinematographer, or just a tech enthusiast, this is the kind of tool that could take your creativity to new heights. Literally. Let's kick things off with what makes this drone a serious game changer: the camera. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to come equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. Massive upgrade from the 1.3-inch sensor in previous generations. What does that mean in real-world terms? Sharper details, richer shadows, and brighter highlights. Get a wider dynamic range, better night shooting capabilities, and deeper depth of field. In short, you'll be capturing footage that's not just good for social media, it's good enough for short films. Combine that with 4,000 recording at 60 FPS and native HDR, and you've got professional-grade visuals straight out of the drone. With no color grading wizardry needed, but the improvements aren't just skin deep. DJI is upping the ante with a 4680 mAh battery, pushing the expected flight time to an incredible 50 to 55 minutes on a single charge. That's nearly double the airtime of most drones in this size class. Whether you're shooting a real estate property, chasing golden hour light on a mountaintop, or documenting a long wedding ceremony, you'll spend less time charging and more time creating. And yes, we've all been there, landing the drone mid-shot because the battery cried for help. DJI clearly wants to put an end to that heartbreak now. Here's where things get downright futuristic. For the first time ever in a mini drone, DJI might introduce LiDAR-based obstacle sensing. Imagine flying through a foggy forest or tight indoor venue and your drone just knows where not to go. Combined with traditional visual sensors, this could bring 360-degree obstacle avoidance to even the trickiest environments. This means fewer crashes, less stress, and way more freedom for creative flight paths. 8. Want to swoop through narrow alleys or hug cliff edges at sunrise? Go for it. This drone's got the instincts of a bat and the brain of a pilot. The design is smarter too. Expect vented motor housings for better cooling, enhanced wind resistance for those gusty beach or mountain shoots, and an improved quick-release propeller system that lets you swap blades without a toolbox. DJI knows that professionals don't have time to fumble with screws when the light is perfect. They've streamlined the hardware so your setup is quicker, your flights are smoother, and your footage stays rock solid. On the connectivity front, the Mini 5 Pro could be powered by DJI's OcuSync for giving you a staggering 25 kilometers of range. That's longer than some people's daily commute. And that's not all. We're hearing whispers of support for multiple controllers like the RC2, CN3, DJI Goggles 3, and even voice commands. So yes, you might be able to say DJI orbit that lighthouse, and it'll actually obey. This is starting to feel less like a drone and more like a flying cinematographer. A surprise feature. Onboard audio recording. For the first time, your drone might capture ambient sounds at the launch site, waves crashing, birds chirping, even your excited commentary. For creators who want to blend natural sound into their edits or record voice notes mid-shoot, this could be a subtle but powerful addition. Now let's talk pricing. Current estimates suggest a launch price between $850 and $900 USD, with the Fly More combo landing between $1,150 and $1,300. That puts the Mini 5 Pro solidly in the affordable professional category. For creators making money through YouTube, freelance gigs, or branded content, this isn't just a tech purchase, it's an investment that could easily pay for itself in a few projects. So why does the DJI Mini 5 Pro matter? Because it's rewriting the rules of what a mini drone can do. It brings together elite-level performance, smart technology, and ultralight portability in one game-changing package. Whether you're filming sun-drenched coastlines, remote villages, or bustling night markets, this drone is ready to fly with you anywhere and everywhere. Thanks for hanging out. We're genuinely excited to see how the Mini 5 Pro shapes the next wave of aerial content creation. If you found this preview helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest drone tech, camera reviews, and creator gear. And hey, if you're curious about mastering aerial shots, check out our video on top 5 cinematic drone moves for beginners, or dive into our Mini 4 Pro versus Mini 5 Pro breakdown to see what's truly changed. Until next time, keep flying, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next one.